If you want to charge Nothing phone for a Pro, then the only way to do so is by using a cable. Unfortunately, we do not have wireless charging option. It is not possible to charge this phone wirelessly, so you must use a USB cord. So the USB cable itself can be USB-C to USB-A, or this can be USB-C to USB-C. Of course, ideally you want to use the original cable that you can find inside the box, but if you are in a situation where you cannot use your original cable, that is not a problem, as long as you can find one that is USB-C and on one end, on one side we have the USB-C, so it fits our phone. Ideally, you want to use a power adapter or charger, and of course the charger itself, which one you should use depends on the cable that you want to use, but if you want to use the original cable, then you're looking for a charger that has USB-C port, of course. If you want to use a different cable like this one over here, then you can use a power adapter that has USB-A. And of course, power adapter is the preferred choice, the most optimal one, simply because it has the fastest charging speed, or it allows you to charge your phone at the fastest way possible. But if you are in a situation where you do not have a charger at all, and you need to charge your phone, of course there are some alternatives, like for example a power bank. You can also use your computer, like a PC or laptop, as long as it has USB port, which most likely it does. You should be able to charge your phone. You just have to connect to that computer in order to start charging, but you have to keep in mind that the charging speed usually in that case is slow. And also, for example, a car. So if your car has USB port, then you can use that as well. But ideally, you want to use a power adapter. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.